Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn. Hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to sort data from left to right. So in this example, I have sales data for 5 products and currently it is not arranged in alphabetical order. I need to find a way of arranging these columns in alphabetical order. To do this, you can highlight the columns in the data range, and this approach we are using will work only on normal range of cells and not tables. So with your data laid out, you can select from the entire column. Here you realize I'm selecting from where the column labels are. Okay, and I'll press Alt DS. So Alt DS is a shortcut to open up the sort dialog box or the sort menu. When this pops up, we are going to sort not by column but by row. So your job is to go to options and then under orientation you switch sort left to right. So when you click OK, you observe that this changes to row instead of the default column. So basically, instead of doing our traditional top-down sorts, this time we are going left to right. So I'm sorting by row 4. That is where my headers are. I'm sorting on cell values and the order is A to Z from left. So when I click OK, I get these columns arranged in alphabetical order, saving me cutting and pasting the columns manually. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a good day.